Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to restore an old damaged photo into a brand new one, and if we can also colorize it using ChatGPT. So first of all, I'm going to go into ChatGPT and then just select the image that you want to use. There you go, I've selected the image I want to use, and then I'm just going to press type, colorize, and restore this old image into a brand new one. And then we're just gonna basically wait till it's done, and once it's done it will fix up the image for us. Alright, so in my case it says this image generation request did not follow our content policy. This occasionally happens, but in my case I have run out of reuses for the day, so I cannot really demonstrate this for you, but sometimes it will say this. Basically all you have to do is just send it another prompt or a different angle of the image. That also works, but basically just changing the prompt up a bit, you will have better results. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.